Papa Chiro gape ke bona ditaba mo di-social media ba re ko wena o trendisitseng video ya mokgotsi ya go ke nnete goba ba bolela maaka?
ba bolela maaka baby, ba bolela maaka. Nna ke be ke sona ke tlile mo gae ka labohlano la baka go feta. Ba bolela maaka batho ba ba bolela maaka baby, ba bolela maaka batho ba. Nna ke tlile mo ka weekend ba ka go feta, ba bolela maaka. Nna ke be ke sona batho, motho a ntšea re ke ema lekompong into e reetse weekend ba ka go feta. Nna ke be ke sona ke sa le mo gae gana jana, ke sa le mo gae baby. Ba bolela maaka moga jaaka ke sa le mo gae, ke sa le mo gae gana jana. Ba bolela maaka, ba bolela maaka baby. Nna ke be ke se gona moga jaaka, ke be ke se gona moga jaaka, ke sa le mo gae gana jana, ke sa le mo gae. Ba bolela maaka. Ba nromela senepe sa ngwane moga jaaka, ke a go nromela senepe sa ngwana ka ke mo ke mmona, ke a kgopela sempe fo nromela sone moga jaaka.
Kamote has came out to say he was not there when the video got posted on Limpopo's boy Facebook story, guys. So he was just doing it for damage control to blame Kamote, guys. You know the reason why the video is still currently trending is because married women have came out to say they stand with Matseliso in this difficult situation, guys. And you can see Kevin, I've seen the wife and the husband, they are recently video, guys, and people are angry with, why are you still there? Why are you forgiving this woman? She's done a lot. You need to walk away. It is alleged that the husband has paid 85,000 rand lobola bride price, guys. So that is a lot of money, guys. Some people are saying God could have used that money to buy something else. People are projecting their insecurities, guys. We do have men that have given their wife, they are still together, guys. There are men that, you know what, his wife got a text say hi and then he just divorced his wife. So now that he see people are forgiving, now he wants to go back, or maybe he doesn't want to go back, maybe he's just angry with himself. So anyway, guys, the 10-minute conversation, what do you think about it? So don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.